System Test 9. It's been a while since I haven't been posting Roblox alarm test, but it was a System Test 9. We have the panel MS to 9200 UDLS. We have another panel. Now we have this this, I don't know what it is, but I think it's like a speaker or something. Over here we have a Simplex T-Bar 5120. We got the same panel over here. Over here we have 2903 with 4901 stroke. Over here we have a different fire alarm. It was, I think, FCI or I don't know. Up here we have another Simplex T-Bar, but it's that's like a Kaiser or something. All here we have like a bell, like no, but so basically everything's like the same thing, but it sounds completely different. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one down. So basically it's just lift, and then there we go. Now I forgot to mention the panel is set to continuous. Somebody come over here. Over here we have outside. We have another bell. I know it was kind of loud. That's why I turned my phone down a little bit. But it was before I reach, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the auto silence. Now there's auto silence right there's auto silence over here. Thing over here. Now this doesn't have an auto silence. This doesn't either. In there this one. This one doesn't have an auto silence either. There was some that has some and some that doesn't. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Alright, so this is my here. I'll do it from this one. Alright, now everything's set to normal. Now this time I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one. Alright, so I'm sorry if you guys can't hear the phone alarm because there's a bell outside, so that's why you obviously can't hear it. Alright, this time we're gonna go to here. Oh, let's see something. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and reset it real quick. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do different codes. So for example, I'm gonna do code 1, which is code 3. So anyways, that was kind of fun to do. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do a different code. Now this time we're gonna do march time. If I can try to put it in real quick. Alright. First silent and then reset. Alright, no. It did still work when the final one went up, so this time I added too much time. Now, I think it might have issue with march time. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and now reset. Alright, this time we're gonna do slow motion time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. Oh wait, whoops, wrong thing. Alright. My bad, y'all. I did not mean to put. I meant to put what's one. I didn't mean to put. I didn't mean to put. I meant to put one. So, anyways. Alright, this time it's not gonna be slow motion time server. Reset it. Now what's gonna do is it's gonna do slow motion time. going to the worst thing that matters. Alright, let's go with this. Alright, here we go. Now there is one more code what I'm gonna do, which I'll show you guys. Now I think it's a few seconds continuous. I don't know what, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. So the code is number 4, the code 1, and then number 4. Now we're going and code this, and then there we go. Now I'll show you guys what I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Just give it a few seconds. So I think it's just give a few seconds or just to see. But and well, that's it. So well, that's it for Season Test 9. So I'll see you next time.